I just watched a very popular video that says you can make $150 a day without a website. $150 is not a big amount to earn each day, but who doesn't want free money? But I'm here to show you something even bigger. If you watch our video, this video, till the end, you will learn how to make $5 million from using 3 minutes of your time without your own product and without paid traffic. I know it's a big claim, and here's a full disclaimer. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven method. Beginners make money using this method, and I will show you the way we basically run a 7-figure per year company using the same exact system, and thousands of other people are doing it every single day. So the chances of any beginner to make money using this system is extremely high. But overnight success is a myth. There is nothing called quick cash system. You will definitely make money, but it will take a little bit of work and a little bit of time. And my software with artificial intelligence will basically take 99% of the heavy lifting on your behalf. Free link to access my software for free is in the description. Go get it. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most premium viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. So go ahead, do all these things, and let's move forward. Back to the video. Results in this system is almost guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos. $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have good news for you because we don't need to use cameras. Epic allows us to make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voiceover using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for us using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. From inside their user dashboard, they can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using them. But we're not going to stop there. We will show you how this video tells you about how to make money online, whether it works or not, and how our method works, and you're going to get Epic free using the link in the description. Now let's go back to this video that got 1.27 million views, 520,000 subscribers on the channel, and almost 40 likes on the video. All these stats show that people loved this video. Then that means this content must be useful, right? This is a good sign. Now let's see if this is beginner friendly or not. So step number 1, go to ClickBank and get the highest selling product and get its affiliate link for you. Now I have been in this industry for a while, and I know that to promote this and make money, we need traffic. A lot of traffic. But the question is, how do you get traffic? Let's follow this video and see how it's getting traffic. So firstly, he's talking about multiple campaigns to get traffic, like a paid traffic method where you can invest some money upfront to get traffic on your affiliate link. And lastly, the video says to go to Facebook and create your own Facebook group and get visitors and customers from there. Well, I have done paid traffic methods in the past, so I know it's very risky. And I have a group of 18,000 plus customers, and we get traffic from that group every time we post something. Now, I'm not against this method. This method surely works and makes you money. But the problem with this method is that it's not beginner friendly. It took me years to build this group from scratch. So it's not a free method. It's not easy, it's not fast, and it's not risk-free. It involves some degree of investment, knowledge, risk, and consistency. Now tell me what you think in the description. Is it worth doing all this for a $150 per day income versus the method that I'm about to share with you right now? You can get free traffic easily and make $1,000 to $5,000 starting today. It's fast and it might start working for you from today. Out of curiosity, I accidentally went to YouTube and searched with the keyword Warcraft guide. And look what I found. People are making 1-minute short videos and getting millions of views 100% free. These two videos got 1.1 million views and 5,310 views. Another one 3,900 views, another one 21,000 views, another one 1,600 views, 21,000 views, 12,000 views, 3,700 views, 26,000 views, 4,700 views. You can do the exact same thing. So how much money can you make from this? We make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos or any other channels. So 1.1 million views should give you $5.5 million theoretically by using our software Epic. Why I'm talking about short videos, by the way, it's because YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and to make it popular, YouTube is promoting all short videos. YouTube is doing this to compete with TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. So if you make short videos which are less than 1 minute long, and yes, of course, you can do it using Epic without any hassle, or using camera, microphone, video editing, script writing, because Epic is doing everything using artificial intelligence on your behalf. And it takes only 3 minutes to make an awesome short video. This way, you are actually helping YouTube get more views from outside YouTube and make existing viewers stay longer on YouTube, so YouTube will promote your videos for free. So you will get free customers from YouTube without paid traffic and Facebook group traffic. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes the script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library. Just in one click, I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance or maybe my kids and sometimes myself without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. We need your like and a share. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and paying clients. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most premium user when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.